Today's chemical of the month is our boil out or our fryer cleaner. This product is obviously used to clean out your fryers. The product is used by draining your oil out of your fryer first, then filling it back up about 75% with water, putting this product in, letting it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. You remove the water, remove any excesses in the bottom of the fryer itself, and then fill back up with your clean oil. This product should be used probably a couple times a week, depending on how much frying that you're doing. Just keep an eye on how much excess that you're getting in the bottom of the fryer, and this will obviously extend the life of the fryer and especially the heating coils. Any questions that you may have, contact your local area manager.